Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. In this video I will be showing you how to make cloves and rosemary hairspray, oil and butter. Before that, this beautiful homra is available. You can order this, send a DM. Firstly, we'll be using cloves. We all know that cloves is an important ingredient for hair growth, and then we'll be using rosemary too in this recipe. So this is rosemary. For those of you that don't know rosemary, this is rosemary. It looks like thyme. I have forgotten the name in Hausa, but cloves is called kanumpari. Then this is rosemary. So and then you'll be needing water to make the cloves hairspray. Cloves is so good and very beneficial, and is one of those ingredients that helps making your hair look so dark. It's because of the presence of vitamin K. It can also cure dandruff, itching and other hair ailments. So firstly, I added my cloves to water. I use the whole cloves. You can use powdered cloves, but I use the whole cloves because I will be boiling this. I use 1 spoonful of cloves for 250 ml of water, and then 1 spoonful of my rosemary too. I added it to my pot, and then I boiled this for just 10 minutes. Make sure you boil this and don't overboil. When you are boiling your clothes water, you can use medium heat to low heat. Then after boiling, I let this sit because I could not sieve this due to the fact that it was very hot. I let it sit for just 8 hours, and then after 8 hours it's looking like this. You can see it has infused properly, and then it has changed color to a very deep brown color. You can see that the ingredients too are resting on the bottom of the pot. So I brought my sieve, and then this is the oil. So in making the oil, what I did is just that I use any carrier oil, but I use coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. Olive, you can use any of your favorite oil. I added 2 spoonful of cloves and 2 spoonful of rosemary to the oil, and then I let this sit for a week. That's just the simple way in making your cloves oil. Cloves and rosemary infused oil. So for the cloves water, I will be sieving this to just to get the cloves and rosemary out. I just used a simple sieve, and then I added it to a, a little spray bottle which I will be using. You can use this 3 times a week, but for very fast growth you can do that like 4 to 5 times a week. That's daily. It depends on your choice, but I use this every day. So after sieving this, I added it to my spray bottle. So this is the end product. This is our hairspray, our cloves hairspray. You can add essential oil, tea tree essential oil, lavender essential oil, any essential oil of your choice, but this has amazing scent. That's why I did not add any essential oil. So this is just the way you can use this. When you spray this on your hair, make sure you massage the scalp so that the cloves water will get into the hair. You spray directly to the hair, and then after spraying this, you don't wash this, you let this sit on the hair, and that's how it will work and make your hair look so black and beautiful. So this is the oil, the cloves oil I was talking about initially. This is it after 4 days of making it. You can see the color is changing. I use coconut oil. You can use powdered rosemary and powdered cloves in this recipe, but I use the whole cloves and the rosemary so that I can show you you all a better way of using it. And then you can sip this after a week. So this is the hairspray at the end. This is the hairspray. It's looking so dark and um looking so good and dark, and it has amazing scent. I hope you try this. This is so good when you make this. So for the cloves and rosemary butter, I use shea butter. You can use any butter of your choice, which is like the mango butter and other butters, but shea butter is readily available in the market, and then you can get this anywhere. That's why I use this shea butter, and I have this like good shea butter at home, so I use this. I use just like 4 to 5 spoonful of the shea butter, the solid shea butter. You know, when you melt this, it will be more than the spoonful that I mentioned. So I will be using the cloves and rosemary oil as the oil for the butter, because I did not want to use it this way. I prefer using hair butter on my hair because I have this like very thick hair. So I prefer hair butter to oils. I I don't like hair oils a lot. I just like the butters. So I have here my hair oil and the cloves oil and shea butter. I'll be adding it to a pot which um I will fry for some minutes, sorry. You can use the double boiler method for this recipe, but I prefer to fry mine just to have that like quick. I did not want to waste time. And then I added some powdered cloves. I use a lot of cloves for this hair butter because I just want like something that will um give me a very fast growth and just very effective. So this is it. I am frying it. Make sure you're using low heat. Don't allow this to burn like me. And then you can add other ingredients which you know are good for like hair growth and stuff. You can add the black seed. You can add fenugreek. So here I added my orange peel powder. Yes, because it's so good. And then I use it because I did not like the scent from the coconut oil. So this is menthol too. For you can skip this, but I use this just to help prevent dandruff and then cure any dandruff. You use a little of the menthol and don't be like me, don't let it burn. I let mine burn because I did not even stay close to it while it was frying. You need to stay close to it when you are frying the oil because of the menthol presence, and then make sure you use very low heat in making this. To be on the safer side, use a double boiler method. So at the end, this was having an amazing scent because of the orange peel powder I used, and then I added a little down the banana oil to this, which has this lavender kind of scent, amazing scent. So I mix this so that everything will be like properly combined, so the oil will be properly combined. and that's it. This is how the butter looks at the end. After this method, you are going to refrigerate this because you can't leave this like. So you can also whisk this, or like just mix it after it is in a solid form. That's for the butter. So this is the end product. This is how it looks at the end. We have our hairspray, the cloves and rosemary hairspray, then we have our oil, and then we have our cloves butter. Please subscribe if you haven't, comment, share, like, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye.